Alright, so we just got our Domino's and it sucks. Like, it's thin.
Did you put like ultra thin?
I didn't put no ultra thin. But we're in Miami where the pizza sells.
Look at, like, the Domino's pizza is supposed to be like this. Whatever.
Well,
It tastes like Domino's pizza, kind of. But it's too skinny. Like Domino's pizza. This is a regular pizza, look.
I guess New York is really where the best pizza is. Because Domino's never disappoints me.
Never disappoints if it's bad.
But today, they messed up. Luckily I'm hungry because I would have never did this. Now, I would have put this in the side and be like, are you done? Are you done?
It's Cuban Domino's.
No offense to Cuban people, but I don't like your food.
Grandpa, it's different because it's Cuban.
So, we in Miami and I miss my friends because my friends are so cool. But I'm at the Regency Hotel in Miami, Florida, Northwest. The hotel is nice, but there's nothing really to do around here, so that's one thing that sucks. Especially if you're a kid, cause it's like
everything is like hours away.
Yeah. So don't come here. But they're really nice people here. How many did you have?
How many did you have?
3.
Can I get you more pizza?
I wish this Domino's was good.
What would you rate this Domino's from a 1 to 10? I'll give it a 3. Actually, no, a 4. Because the wings are good, so.
Yeah, so we make sure that she ate all the chicken before somebody touch it.
Look like a freaking dinosaur, boy.
You're not. So, like I said, I'll be in Miami for like tomorrow will be a week.
What is it?
Tomorrow will be a week.
Oh yeah.
Then I was in Miami. What did we do the
It's
first
been
day?
going, it's been nothing. We just went to pool. The first day that we got here, that was Sunday. And the first day we went to the mall.
No.
Yeah, the first day we went to the mall.
The first day we went to the mall. We went to
something terrible.
International Mall. That mall was nice.
We're going back there Friday because, you know.
We were close.
I'm joking, not you. So,
This is really awful. Maybe the worst thing I've ever seen.
sorry if my quality looks bad.
So what are you thinking?
I don't have my light.
I'm thinking zombies. What?
But
The undead. Ghouls.
then the day after that we went to some water park, right?
Gorgeous. Oh my.
Wait. The day
Get us
after
together.
Flesh-eating
Monday we
zombies.
went
Don't joke. It's
to the
really, really
international.
creepy.
Tuesday we went to the water park.
Oh man, this isn't gonna end well. They gravitate towards things they did when they were alive.
Wednesday.
Did she just say Chardonnay? Yeah, she did.
Wednesday, we went out, started walking around, sightseeing and stuff. And
I've been telling you this is all gonna end.
no, Wednesday,
Well, that's unfortunate.
we went,
I'm quite confident of my ability to defend myself against the
but
undead.
we walked to the place and it was like kind of fun. And then we came back to the pool after.
What is that?
And on
Hell, here now.
Thursday,
Excuse me.
That place over there.
Those are some pretty good cuts. You played some minor league ball, didn't you?
yeah, I mean,
Well, a little class
They did it
It
today.
was a long time ago.
Thursday we went.
Put it on whatever.
Thursday we chilled with my cousin.
I can't even take my pill. You hear me? I don't know what grandma.
And then
grandma took it with her what?
Which was yesterday.
Where's the tingling?
We booked. We went back sightseeing and stuff, and I booked the eyelash appointment. I'm getting my nails done, eyelashes done, and my belly pierced. So I got some Gatorade.
These are more matters.
I'm full. Zoe, what's it?
And then today I went to Southwest Beach, South Beach, yeah. Went to South Beach and it was really nice. And then we just came back and we went to the pool. And now I'm here. I got a tan, as you can see.
Я сразу к делу.
Tomorrow
С 95-го много чего изменилось. И теперь решение мы принимаем сами.
is Sunday.
Поставленная
And we're
задача.
going
И если
back
вы
south
выполняете ее со мной,
to
вас
South
восстанавливают
Beach.
в
And
армии,
I
награды.
guess there's like a lot
И
of stores
главное,
over there you
вы
can shop.
возвращаетесь домой.
It's kind of like a flea market, but not a cheap flea market, you know?
Захват аэропорта
Like
срочно.
low-key like a carnival,
Берем
something
держим
like that.
позиции до прихода миротворцев.
Then
Мы выехали на территорию.
that's too loud. He's trying to argue with our neighbor hiring. But
С Богом, ребята.
yeah. Then Monday we're gonna go to the movies to see Lion King because I still didn't see it. And then I don't really know after that. Oh yeah, Tuesday is my grandma's appointment. She's getting microbladed. And I'm gonna go with her. So yeah, Tuesday we're probably just gonna I'm just gonna go with my grandma to her appointment. I'm gonna go with my grandma to her appointment, and then I'm just gonna chill by the pool, talk to my friends. And
Береги себя.
it's been 2 weeks that I posted, so I need to upload this video tonight. Just get it off the web. And also have a Miami vlog coming out next video. So stay tuned. I miss the gang, I miss the posse. I miss big LOA. But I'm done with these Nancy Dominoes. So just remember, if you're not going nowhere, go to the subway.